Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a handy feature on Facebook that you might not be familiar with: archiving and unarchiving posts. Whether you want to declutter your timeline or temporarily hide a post from your feed, this feature can be really useful, so let's dive in. First thing first, let's learn how to archive a post. Archiving a post allows you to remove it from your timeline without deleting it permanently. Here's how you do it. Navigate to the post you want to archive on your Facebook timeline. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Select Archive from the drop-down menu. And just like that, the post is now archived. But what if you want to bring it back? Let's move on to unarchiving. To unarchive a post, follow these simple steps. Go to your profile and click on three dots under your cover photo. Select Archive from the drop-down menu. Find the post you want to unarchive and click on the three dots. Choose Restore to Profile from the options provided. The post is back on your timeline for everyone to see. So whether you are cleaning up your timeline or just temporarily hiding a post, archiving and unarchiving on Facebook is a breeze. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.